the original version from OJ is in C minor, and then the beautiful part of the chorus in Re. But let's see if bringing it down to Do it's easier to play. So it starts with a La, so either 2 bass or even just one, just to start. So it goes like this. So La, and then Fa, and then Do, and then Mi with a beat, and then Fa. And here actually I go by ear, but it's something like La until Do, Mi, Re, Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Do, Si, Mi, 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 Re, Do, Re, Do, La. So Fa, Do, then Mi, 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 and here we finish in Sol, and for the bass we take a Do with a middle Sol, Do, Do, Sol, and we can start recreate that beautiful sound of the beginning of the song, pressing Sol and Do. So now for this part of the arpeggio, I won't make the arpeggio, but I will just try and recreate in the easiest possible way that sound. On your left hand you press a chord of Do, but you can just have the 2 basses, Do and Do, and Sol with your second finger here. When it changes to the second chord, you just need to shift from Sol to Fa. And here on the right hand you have the first chord is a Do, but as you can see in 3rd position, so instead of being like this, it would be like this. And the second chord will be a Fa, well actually Re minor, but in 2nd position, so instead of being here, it would be here. And the sound is more or less like this. And then the passage. So here, after you press the chord, you put a Fa, which is Do fourth. And for the second part here is Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Re. Okay, again. And then you need to go back again to the verse, which is exactly like in the beginning. So again, La, you can just have the bass, it's enough. And Fa, and Do, sorry, then Mi, Fa. You do this twice. And then it changes a bit. Again, Mi. Was a sailor. Re. She. La. For your right hand. Re. Fa. Do. La minore. Fa. Do. Mi minore. Fa. And it goes like this. Okay? You can also do just chords. Chase you those swallow dreams to keep my gambling father drunk deep down New Orleans. And for the refrain, the chords are Fa, Mi major, Do, and then Fa. But here you can probably use also your right hand and just make the chord, just put the chords with the left hand. Happy, 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 fun day. La la, do, do, si, si, re, re, do, sol, la. Then prepare your chord of Do, and you're set to go. Hope you liked it.